Designing for weddings and events is easy when you have fabulous flowers. Look at how grand the perfect palette for this season. The flowers, everything from our friends at florabundance.com. Beautiful palette in that pinks to burgundies. Started with this spike of cymbidium orchids, so long lasting, so dramatic, then enhanced with Queen Anne's lace, antique carnations, hydrangea, and Westminster garden roses. The design base, floral foam, and then using a stem, got one in already, but taking your Italian ruscus, and rather than doing individual insertions, place it straight into the side of the foam, and then just wrap, concealing your base mechanics, bringing it around to keep it in place, just using a hairpin, securing it, and let it be. The hydrangea are perfect for filling in, drawing attention to the main body of the design, making sure they're deeply into the foam so that they drink well, giving it a cut, placing them, then utilizing the brightness of the carnations to help enhance and draw the eye inwards, so tucking it low, but then also taking another and bringing it out further, adding dimension, the one shadowed behind the other, and taking some of the Queen Anne's lace and letting it just create another level so that it's ready to add flowers, but you'll have a base nest that's ready and beautiful. Now the fun begins. Adding some height, bringing the cymbidium up nice and tall through the arrangement, then extending, bringing in tulips, letting them drape outward, reinforcing the lines, a little bit of foxglove, working in layers so you have some things extending, some tucked in, and then we'll come back with roses and fill in and brighten, bringing the color of the cymbidium out to the colors of the tulips. Finishing it with a few more roses, keeping them grouped to the center so they add a little visual weight, filling it in, repeating. And then just a bit of jasmine vine to soften, letting it trail, breaking the line of the container. Now the opposite side. And lastly, some butterfly ranunculus, letting them be taller, lighter, over the top of everything else. The recipe, everything from our friends at florabundance.com, started with that base that had 2 stems of Italian ruscus, then 3 hydrangea, the 1 miniature cymbidium spike, then 5 tulips, 5 foxglove, 5 Queen Anne's lace, 10 of the antique carnations, and 5 of the Westminster roses, a little bit of the jasmine vine, and 5 stems of butterfly ranunculus. Creating a dramatic statement piece takes a few flowers, but oh so much fun. If you do this, make sure you add water because this many stems is going to drink quite heavily. You'll find more creative inspiration on our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. And now it's your turn. Gather your flowers, find the perfect urn, create a way. Take a picture and post it on social media, #FloralDesignInstitute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.